Hey, if you're looking at getting some of these Pit Viper, the original, let me show you them up close. Got these for my daughter for Christmas. She likes to play softball a lot. She said that she wanted some of these and she did not want fake ones. She wanted the real ones. So this is what they look like. As you can see, it says Pit Viper. We got the one that has the light blue accent with some little pink dots in it. It's the way they hook around. You do have a piece here that you can put a strap on. So if they are playing softball or any other sport where they're going to be wearing these, you can do that. It's the way the nose piece looks. It's got a nice feel to it, so it should feel really good on the nose. I do like these have a little bit of tension there. So they're not just going to, flip flop on. It's really going to hold well. So just give you an idea. This is what they look like on. They got a nice grip to the side. So even if I'm forward, moving around, doing different sports, whatever it is, I don't feel them moving around on the face. These here are the original size. They do come in a wide. So just depending on the size of, someone's head, these are more original. Again, my daughter's 15 years old. These are going to fit her just fine. Does come with a nice bag to keep them in so they don't get scratched up when they're throwing them in their bat bag or anything like that. And as I mentioned, it does come with a cord that can go around the back. So that way, if they want to take it, pull it down like this, they can do that. Now, can you wear these with glasses? I have my glasses on, put them on, and they seem to be doing just fine for me. So I think they would work fine if you're wearing them from yourself or for your daughter. I think they're going to work fine either way. Nice part about the bag here too is it can be used to also kind of clean it. It has that feel to it. And you can see right here, states that you can use that to kind of get those fingerprints and everything like that off as well. Hey, another really cool thing about these that I didn't even really realize they had is you can adjust them like this as well. So you can get that exact fit that you want. So if you have a sports fanatic in your family, softball player, anything like that, and they want the Pit Viper original, check these out.